Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to call people on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. If asked, log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see the home page as default. Now, click on the messenger icon from the top navigation bar. After that, scroll down under the message section and choose the user you want to make a call. After you open chat with them, click on the video camera icon from the top navigation bar. Now, when you click on the video camera icon, it will start ringing your friend. Be quick and click on the video camera to turn off your camera. After you turn off your camera, it will turn to voice calls with the same interface. You can click back on the video camera icon to switch a voice call into a video call. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to make a call on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.